The display of the smartphone is 6.56-inch IPS LCD. The refresh rate of the display of the smartphone is 90 Hz. Now I am telling about the screen to body ratio of the display of the smartphone 84%. The resolution of the display of the smartphone is 720 by 1612 pixel. 269 ppi density of the display of the smartphone. Operating system Android 12 Oxygen OS. Chipset MediaTek MT6833P Dynamic 810-6nm. The CPU octa-core in the GPU Mali G57MC2. The memory of the smartphone card slot micro SD. The internal memory are available 64 GB and the 4 GB RAM of the smartphone UFS 2.2. The main camera are dual camera. The feature of the main camera of the smartphone LED flash HDR in panorama. The video of the main camera of the smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the selfie camera of the smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR and the video of the selfie camera of the smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of the smartphone loudspeaker is available with the dual speaker and the 3.5mm jack is also available of the smartphone. Now I am telling about the connectivity of the smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band. The Bluetooth of the smartphone 5.3 to DPLA. NFC is available and the FM radio is unspecified of the smartphone. The charging port USB Type-C 2.0 USB on the go. Now I am telling about the battery of the smartphone 5000 nano-mole battery. The charging of the smartphone 33W wired. The SIM of the smartphone is a nano SIM. The network technology are available of the smartphone. GSM, HSP, LTE in 5G technology is available of the smartphone. The line data was announced of the smartphone 24 October 2022. There are a different prices are available of the smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.